Your next challenge is to find the coin I've hidden while you weren't looking. Go! So, where are we going? To the desert! I think it could be there. Why? Because the desert is yellow and the coin is yellow, so the coin would blend in. And that sounds like something Jigsaw would do. Why aren't you searching for the coin? I mean, there's no point. Yes, there is. You won't win immunity, and you might get eliminated as well. Trust me, Jigsaw, I know what I'm doing. Okay then, if you lose, don't blame me. Where could the coin be? Are you searching for a coin? Yeah. Well, it's right here, under the ground. Really? Yes, really. That's what happened. Okay. So, where do you think the coin is? It's got to be somewhere. Ink, I don't think it's here. But it has to be. Ink, I'm going to go. Oh! Yes, it's the coin. Now I just have to show Jigsaw. Wait, Feather Duster has the coin? Ink, Feather Duster's got the coin. I've got the coin. Great, that means Lime wins immunity. Congratulations, Lime. Can I join the show? No. Comment a letter in square brackets to vote for one of these contestants to leave the show. Voting ends in 2 days.